What if I told you there are companies out there, right now, poised to make some serious waves in the market? Companies with the potential to not just grow your portfolio, but to fundamentally change the way we live, work, and even fight disease. That's what we're diving into today. We're talking about 3 specific stocks, handpicked for their potential to absolutely explode in the coming years. In fact, these are my 3 favorite stocks to buy right now. We're talking about a dominant force in e-commerce and cloud computing, a pioneer in the world of cancer immunotherapy, and a global giant in the food and beverage industry who's making some seriously smart moves. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one all the way till the end. Because not only am I breaking down why these companies are set to soar, but I'm also giving you the inside scoop on their strategies, their challenges, and why I believe they're absolute must-haves for any serious investor. Hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Alright, let's kick things off with a company that needs no introduction. Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. Founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994, Amazon started as an online bookstore and has since evolved into a global powerhouse. I mean, who hasn't ordered something from Amazon in the last week, right? It's become a staple in our daily lives, almost like a utility service. But here's the thing, Amazon is so much more than just an online store. It's a complex ecosystem that touches various aspects of our lives. It's a behemoth, a force of nature in the world of e-commerce, and it's showing absolutely zero signs of slowing down. Their logistics network is a marvel of modern engineering. We're talking about a company that controls nearly 40% of the US e-commerce market. That's an incredible feat considering the competition. That's right, almost half of all online shopping goes through Amazon. It's a testament to their efficiency and customer-centric approach, and it's not just about convenience anymore. Amazon has redefined what it means to shop online. Amazon Prime has created a level of customer loyalty that's practically unheard of. With over 200 million members worldwide, it's a game changer. Free 2-day shipping, Prime Video, Prime Music, they've built an entire ecosystem that keeps people coming back for more. It's a brilliant strategy that locks in customers, but hold on because it gets even more interesting. Amazon's innovation doesn't stop at e-commerce. While Amazon's e-commerce empire is impressive, it's their cloud computing division, Amazon Web Services, that's really turning heads. AWS is a cornerstone of the modern internet. AWS is the backbone of the internet, providing cloud services to businesses of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500 companies. It's a critical infrastructure that powers countless applications. Think about it, every time you stream a show on Netflix, order an Uber, or even check your bank balance online, chances are you're interacting with AWS in some way. It's omnipresent. This is a cash cow for Amazon, generating billions in revenue every quarter. It's a financial juggernaut that fuels their other ventures. And the best part, the cloud computing market is still in its early stages of growth. There's a lot of untapped potential here. Now some people might say, Graham, Amazon's stock price is already so high, isn't it too late to invest? It's a valid concern, given the current market conditions, and to that I say, not necessarily. The company's growth trajectory and innovative spirit suggest there's still room for significant appreciation. You see, Amazon is constantly innovating, constantly pushing into new markets. They're not content with just dominating e-commerce and cloud computing. They're investing heavily in areas like artificial intelligence, drone delivery, and even healthcare. These are sectors with enormous growth potential. Remember Amazon Go, those cashierless grocery stores? It's a glimpse into the future of retail, where technology enhances the shopping experience. That's just a taste of what Amazon has in store for the future. They're always looking for the next big thing, the next market to disrupt. They're not afraid to disrupt entire industries, and that's what makes them such an exciting investment. Their willingness to take risks sets them apart. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Amazon faces its own set of challenges. No company is immune to obstacles. Competition in the e-commerce space is heating up, with companies like Walmart and Target stepping up their online game. The landscape is becoming more competitive. These companies are investing heavily in their online platforms, trying to chip away at Amazon's market share. It's a battle for dominance. And let's not forget about the regulatory scrutiny surrounding Amazon's market dominance. Governments are increasingly concerned about their influence. However, I believe Amazon has the resources, the leadership, and the sheer determination to overcome these obstacles. Their track record speaks for itself. They've consistently proven their ability to adapt and innovate, and I'm confident they'll continue to do so in the years to come. Their resilience is remarkable. So, is Amazon a buy? In my opinion, absolutely. The company's future looks incredibly bright. This is a company with a proven track record of success, a dominant market position, and a visionary leader in Jeff Bezos. Their strategic vision is unparalleled. If you're looking for a long-term investment with massive growth potential, Amazon is a no-brainer. Their ability to innovate and adapt makes them a compelling choice for any investor. Now, let's shift gears and talk about a company that's on the cutting edge of medical innovation. Iovance Biotherapeutics, ticker symbol IOVA. This company is not just another player in the biotech field, they are pioneers in developing therapies that could change the way we think about cancer treatment. This is a company that's developing potentially groundbreaking treatments for cancer, and I'm incredibly excited about their potential. Their work is not just theoretical, it's practical, and has shown real promise in early trials. We're talking about a company that's at the forefront of cancer immunotherapy, a revolutionary approach to fighting cancer that harnesses the power of the body's own immune system. This isn't just a new drug, it's a whole new way of thinking about treatment. Iovance is developing a new class of living cell therapies called tumor-infiltrating lymphocyte therapies, and the early results are incredibly promising. These therapies are designed to be more effective and less toxic than traditional treatments. Here's how it works. TIL therapy involves extracting a patient's own immune cells, specifically the T cells that are already fighting the tumor, and then engineering them in the lab to be more effective at recognizing and destroying cancer cells. This process is intricate and requires cutting-edge technology. These supercharged T cells are then multiplied to create a massive army of cancer-fighting cells, which are infused back into the patient. This infusion process is a critical step, as it reintroduces the enhanced cells into the patient's body to target and destroy cancer cells. Now I know this might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's real, and it's showing incredible potential in clinical trials. The science behind it is robust, and the early data is very encouraging. Iovance's lead product candidate, 𝗗𝗟𝗏, is being studied for the treatment of advanced melanoma, a deadly form of skin cancer. This is a significant focus because melanoma is notoriously difficult to treat with conventional methods. In clinical trials, 𝗗𝗏 has demonstrated remarkable response rates, with some patients achieving complete remission. This is not just a minor improvement, it's a potential game-changer for patients who have exhausted other options. We're talking about people who were told there were no other treatment options, who are now cancer-free. It's truly groundbreaking stuff. The emotional impact on patients and their families is immeasurable. And here's the thing, Iovance's technology has the potential to treat a wide range of cancers, not just melanoma. This versatility is one of the most exciting aspects of their research. They're currently conducting clinical trials in other solid tumors, including lung cancer, cervical cancer, and head and neck cancer. Each of these cancers presents unique challenges, and Iovance is tackling them head-on. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Investing in biotech companies like Iovance comes with inherent risks. The path to medical breakthroughs is fraught with challenges and uncertainties. Clinical trials can fail, regulatory approvals can be delayed, and competition in the immunotherapy space is fierce. These are all factors that can impact the success of a biotech company. However, I believe the potential rewards outweigh the risks in this case. The promise of a new effective cancer treatment is a powerful motivator for both researchers and investors. Iovance is working on truly transformative therapies that have the potential to revolutionize cancer treatment. Their innovative approach could set new standards in the medical field. If they're successful, we could be talking about a cure for cancer. This is the kind of breakthrough that could change lives and medical practices around the world. Of course, it's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing in any biotech company. Due diligence is crucial in making informed investment decisions. But for investors who are comfortable with a higher level of risk, Iovance represents a compelling opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a potential medical breakthrough. The future of cancer treatment could very well be shaped by the work being done today at Iovance Biotherapeutics. Now for our final stock pick, let's take a look at a company that's been a household name for decades, PepsiCo, ticker symbol PEP. This is a company that has not only stood the test of time but has also evolved with it, adapting to the ever-changing market dynamics and consumer preferences. But don't let the name fool you. PepsiCo is much more than just sugary drinks. While many people might immediately think of their flagship cola, the company's reach extends far beyond that. They're a global food and beverage giant with a portfolio of iconic brands that you know and love. Their products are available in more than 200 countries and territories around the world, making them a truly global player. We're talking about Pepsi, of course, but also Frito-Lay, Gatorade, Quaker Oats, Tropicana, and many more. Each of these brands holds a significant market share in their respective categories, contributing to PepsiCo's robust revenue streams. These are brands that have been around for generations, and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. Their longevity speaks to the quality and trust that consumers place in them. This gives PepsiCo a level of stability and brand recognition that's hard to beat. When you walk into a store, the presence of PepsiCo products is almost a given, and that kind of market penetration is invaluable. But here's the thing, PepsiCo is not content to rest on its laurels. They are continually investing in research and development to stay ahead of the curve. They're constantly innovating and adapting to changing consumer tastes. Whether it's through new product lines or reformulating existing ones, PepsiCo is always looking for ways to meet the evolving needs of their customers. They recognize that the days of sugary drinks being their primary growth driver are over. The modern consumer is more health-conscious, and PepsiCo is responding to that shift. That's why PepsiCo has been making strategic moves to expand into healthier product lines. This isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how they do business. They've been investing heavily in healthier snacks like baked chips and veggie straws, and low-sugar beverages like sparkling water and iced tea. These products are not only healthier but also cater to a growing market segment that prioritizes wellness. They're also focusing on sustainability, reducing their environmental footprint and promoting responsible sourcing. This is not just good for the planet, it's good for business, as consumers are increasingly making purchasing decisions based on a company's environmental impact. This commitment to social responsibility is resonating with consumers, especially younger generations who are increasingly conscious of the impact their purchasing decisions have on the world. PepsiCo's efforts in this area are helping to build a loyal customer base that values more than just the product itself. Now, some might say that PepsiCo is a slow and steady ship, not the kind of company that's going to double your money overnight. And they'd be right, but there's something to be said for stability and reliability in an investment. PepsiCo is not a high-growth tech company like Amazon or a revolutionary biotech company like IOVA, but that's okay. Not every investment needs to be a high-risk, high-reward venture. Not every investment needs to be a home run. Sometimes, it's the consistent, reliable performers that end up being the most rewarding in the long run. PepsiCo is the kind of company you invest in for the long haul. It's a cornerstone of a diversified portfolio, providing steady returns and peace of mind. They pay a solid dividend, they're consistently profitable, and they're well-positioned to weather economic storms. This makes them an attractive option for investors looking for stability. In a world of market volatility and uncertainty, PepsiCo is a beacon of stability. Their diversified product portfolio and global reach provide a buffer against economic downturns. They're a blue-chip company with a proven track record of success, and I believe they'll continue to deliver value to shareholders for many years to come. Investing in PepsiCo is not just about the potential for financial gain, it's about being part of a legacy of quality and innovation. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio and protect your investments, no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and join today at a 67% discount price. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Out of these 3 stocks, which one are you most bullish on and why? Let me know in the comments below. Share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.